A tail of a lizard, a wing of a bee, the strangest kittens you'll ever see. A flamingo cat with a pinkish glow, where imagination starts to grow. Nothing is quite what it seems. From the ocean deep to the summer sky, watch these wonders multiply. Color the hybrids, set them free in a world of pure fantasy. Grab your markers, join the fun. The magic quest has just begun. Your magical journey is a click away. Check the link in bio, start today. Get creative cats, hybrid now.